This is Levi's second or third time on his jumper. But now, instead of blankets underneath it, Daddy built a super awesome platform just for him. And look how happy he is. Are you happy? Yeah. Are you blowing bubbles? Yeah. Are you gonna jump and show everybody what you can do? Yeah. Good job. Is he jumping? That is his new toy his mommy bought for him. Well, his daddy, really. But I went and got it. You're so happy. Yeah, should we turn on the music, Daddy? There we go. Is that exciting music, Bubby? Say hi, everybody. Yeah. See, I'm in my new toy. Good job. Oh, look at that. Uh-oh. The elephant scared him. Different angle. Are you gonna keep jumping? Sorry, now you saw me, huh? There you go. Good job. Yeah. Alright. I'll let you play. Say bye, everybody. Bye.